Hello students, very important video. University of Delhi has announced common seat allocation system for admission to undergraduate programs for academic session 2025-2026. Now, the common seat allocation system UG 2025 includes three phases. Phase 1 is applying to University of Delhi. Phase 2 is filling the preference for programs and colleges. And phase 3 will be allocation cum admission. Phase 1 is opened. This is a one-time CSES UG application fee, which is non-refundable for unreserved category OBC, NCL, EWS, 250 rupees. For SC, ST, PWBD, 100 rupees. And for ECN and or sports supernumerary quota, an additional fee of rupees 100 for each quota. For these programs, Bachelor of Fine Art, BA Honours Music, these programs, an additional fee of 400 rupees for each program. First, let's go to this website. Let's go to this website first. So this is the website ugadmission.uod.ac.in. Now, if you have already registered, then you will sign in. But if you have not registered, you will click at new registration. So when you click at new registration, this will open. You have to fill the candidate's CUT application number. That means you have to fill your application number and date of birth. Important, candidates can log into the CSES application portal through the registered CUT application number only. Name, photograph and signature will be auto integrated from CUT 25 application form. These will be non-editable. ठीक है? UG बुलेटिन इन्फॉर्मेशन, DU का बुलेटिन इन्फॉर्मेशन भी है यहाँ पर, और CSES का भी डिटेल्ड बुलेटिन है. तो यू कैन रेफर दिस ऑल्सो. तो आप फिल करोगे CUT application number, candidate's date of birth. Once you'll fill this, this will open. Verify account, आपको OTP आएगा email में, phone में. You will fill the OTP received on email or phone. You will set a password with minimum 6 characters. Password सेट करोगे और नोट कर लेना वो पासवर्ड. कंफर्म पासवर्ड, सबमिट ओटीपी. Once you will do this will open. Important instructions, documents, certificates required for uploading at the time of applying to CSES 2025. ठीक है, ये आपको ध्यान देना है. तो पासवर्ड और रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया, राइट? देख लें पहले डॉक्यूमेंट्स. यू हैव टू बी वेरी थॉरो विद दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स. सो डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर अपलोडिंग: photocopy of all the documents. Candidates shall be required to upload copies of relevant certificates, documents at time of applying as applicable, and produce the same certificates, documents in original at the time of physical verification at the college of DU. Understood? So class 10 certificate in the name of the candidate indicating date of birth and parents' names. Class 12th mark sheet in the name of the candidate. The name of the candidate must match with the CUT UG 25 form. ठीक हो गया? SC, ST, OBC, NCL, EWS, minority, ये सारी certificates in the name of the candidate issued by the competent issuing authority. The name of the candidate claiming reservation under these categories must match the name that appears on his or corresponding school board qualifying certificate and in CUT UG 25. ठीक हो गया? Similarly, his or parents' names should also match. OBC non-creamy layer certificate in the name of the candidate issued by the competent issuing authority. Please read it very carefully. Ask your parents also to watch this video because it's important to read all these conditions very very carefully. Form गलत हो गया तो पूरा साल का मेहनत खराब होता है. ठीक है? So income certificate must be issued after 31st March 2025. OBC non-creamy layer. Clear हो गया? EWS certificate in the name of the candidate, ये भी आप अच्छे से पढ़ लो. Income certificate must be issued after March 31, 2025. Clear? Clearly ये पढ़ लो pause करके. Candidates claiming admission to through ECA sports supernumerary quota must upload self-attested copies. Self-attested आपको sign करने हैं. Self-attested copies of the requisite certificates and produce the relevant required certificates when sought. For applying to BSc Physical Education, Health Education, Sports, candidates must upload the following details in Chapter 20 of the CSES. जो CSES का ब्रोशर है, लिंक है, उसमें आप Chapter 20 में देख सकते हो. डिटेल पढ़ लो अच्छे से. Ask your parents to read that properly. Medical fitness certificate up to 3 sports proficiency certificates. Candidates who have not studied music as a subject in class 12 and wish to apply BA Honours Music must upload certificate as mentioned in Chapter 20 of CSES UG 2025. वही डॉक्यूमेंट मैं आपको दिखा भी देता हूं, so that you should be aware of this. यहां पे CSES UG क्लिक करोगे and this is the document. Chapters are there. You should thoroughly go through it. Ask your parents to go through it. It's very, very important, right? If you'll see, the chapters are there. Chapter 20, admission to performance-based programs, BA Honours Music, everything. Clear? Moving on. PWB disability certificate should be in the name of the candidates, issued by a recognized government. Please read it very, very carefully. Pause the video, read it carefully. Disability certificates issued before 1/6/2022 will be considered as per the existing applicable rules and notification of Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities and the University of Delhi. Read it very carefully, the conditions. Candidates applying under CW, children, widows of personnel of the armed forces category must upload the educational concession certificate in the name of the candidate in the format where in the priority is clearly mentioned. Candidates applying under the Kashmiri migrant category must upload the relevant certification in the correct format issued by Divisional Commissioner, Relief Commissioner. Sikh and Christian minority colleges are there under University of Delhi. ये भी आप पढ़ लेना if you are applying through these minority categories. Orphans quota is also there. Just read this. University of Delhi ward supernumerary quota is also there. Read very carefully. For claiming admission in the category of single girl child, very, very important. 1 seat in each program of every college under University of Delhi is reserved under the supernumerary quota for a single girl child. 1 seat in each program of every college, every program, 1 seat, single girl child. ठीक है, ये सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स आपको ऑब्वियसली देखने हैं. So then this will be there. All the conditions, instructions are there. Then you will click over here. I have read the important information. Candidates will be responsible to quality and authenticity of the certificate they upload. Obviously, पढ़ लो ये अच्छे से. And then you submit very carefully. Do not rush. We have ample time. अच्छे से फॉर्म भर लो. पेमेंट मत करना. We have ample time. Because keep on revisiting the form if everything is fine, the documents are right, the information submitted is correct. So once you submit this, you are registered. Now registration is done. Now then you will open the same website and you will fill the CUT application number and the password which you have created and log in. Once you will log in, this will open. So there are tabs: personal information, academic, sports, ECA, uploads, preview, final submission. This is everything. ठीक है? So personal में full name of the candidate, that will be automatically fetched from CUT, right? Candidate's gender, all these will be fetched. Application's date of birth. Are you citizen of India? Obviously, if you are citizen of India, yes. If you are a foreign citizen candidate, then accordingly you will fill this. Category unreserved, OBC, NCL, applying to minority colleges. Certificate अगर है तो certificate issuing date, if it is ST certificate, SC certificate, whatever you have to fill. It's self-explanatory. Candidate's email, alternate email, mobile number, it will be fetched. ठीक है, कुछ information fetch होगी, कुछ information आपको input करनी पड़ेगी very carefully. इसलिए sit with your parents or with your mentors and fill the form very carefully. This is personal. Then state of domicile, family details, annual family income. Are you single girl child? Is your parent single? Applicable? Not applicable? Whatever the answer is. Are you? I mean these conditions. Single girl child है या parent single है या mother tongue, mother's name, mother's occupation. All these self-explanatory information. कुछ ठीक है, फिर भी carefully भरो. क्या होता है? Once you will fill the form, and it's always advisable to fill the form on laptop. Do not fill the form on mobile. because you fill the form on mobile, you input something, and while scrolling, if some keypad is clicked, कुछ और information चले जाता है. Also in laptop, if you are filling it, you know, कर्सर को बाहर लाकर उसको क्लिक करो ताकि कोई स्क्रॉल ना हो, वेरी केयरफुली स्क्रॉल ना हो. आपने कुछ फिल किया, सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड एप्लीकेबल है या नहीं एप्लीकेबल है, स्क्रॉल कर दिया, वो इनपुट चेंज हो गया. इट्स क्वाइट पॉसिबल, फॉर्म्स गलत होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स के, और वही तो आपको ध्यान देना है. ठीक है, सो इट्स एडवाइजेबल इफ यू सिट विद योर पेरेंट्स और मेंटर्स एंड फिल द फॉर्म केयरफुली. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. सारा फिल करने के बाद वार्ड कोटा डिटेल्स, सिलेक्ट यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ दिल्ली वार्ड कोटा, अदर कैटेगरी, PWBD, कश्मीरी माइग्रेंट, children widows of personnel of the armed forces, all these, Prime Minister Special Scholarship Scheme, ethnicity. Okay, so once this is filled, are you currently enrolled in any university? Yes or no? ठीक है. Additional information, do you wish to apply for BFA, BA Honors Music, BSc Physical Education? ठीक है, इनके लिए ट्रायल्स होते हैं तो आपको बताना होगा. Address, correspondent address, permanent address, click if the same as correspondent address. Bank details for refund. Now this is also very very important, because if you not filled it, the form will not go forward. So name of the account holder, account number, name of the bank, IFSC code. Now why this is important? Suppose you have been allotted a particular seat in a particular college, you fill the fees and you're not satisfied. Let's say in future you don't want, or you get a better option, better college or whatever. So this account will be used to get that refund. I mean, if some nominal amount is deducted, that is as per the rules of University of Delhi. But you need to fill the account details to get the refund. If you do not, want to continue with the seat allocation, you want to go somewhere else and you don't want to continue with the University of Delhi. So this account information is very very important. And then you submit it, and then you go to the academic part. ठीक है, academic. The candidate must have studied and passed class 12th examination or its equivalent from a single recognized board. For admission to University of Delhi, it is mandatory for the candidate to have appeared in CUET in those subjects in which she has passed class 12th. Candidates are encouraged to enter all the subjects they have studied to generate the widest possible range for the purpose of tie breaking. Sub subjects fill karo. They have mentioned it. Candidates must enter their class 12th marks carefully. Enter the marks of all the subjects in which the candidate has passed class 12th. If the mark sheet contains both class 11th and class 12th marks, only the class 12th marks must be entered. If the theory practical breakup is not specified for a paper, candidates must enter only the marks in the theory section for that paper and enter 0 in the maximum marks and max obtained section of practical. ठीक हो गया. Tie breaking rules देख लेते हैं फटाफट. In the event of a tie, University of Delhi, and there are many students who get same CUT scores, right? तो उसमें tie breaking होता है. So in the event of a tie where 2 or more candidates have the same CUT 25 merit score for a program plus college combination, the following rules will be applied in the stated order to break the tie. So order, सबसे पहले क्या देखेंगे? If 2 students have the same CUT score, ठीक हो गया? Then first, the candidate with a higher percentage of aggregate marks in the best 3 subjects of class 12th will be given preference. Best 3. अगर best 3 भी same है, the candidate with the highest percentage of aggregate marks in the best 4 subjects of the class 12th will be given preference. और अगर best, देखो first best 3, then best 4, और अगर best 4 भी same है, the candidates with a higher percentage of aggregate marks in the best 5, right? So if you have 6 subjects, fill the 6 subjects ना. They will pick up the best 5, है ना? कोई टेंशन नहीं है इसमें. Age of the candidate preference will be given to the candidate having an earlier date of birth. Even if there's a tie still in the best of 5 papers, then age of the candidate. So earlier date of birth will be given preference. Even that is a tie. ये इस बार add हुआ है this year. This was the 5th point was not in the last year. The candidate with a higher percentage of aggregate marks in class 10th will be given preference. ये इस बार add हुआ है and I was thinking why they have added this 5th point. Maybe there were cases in which best of 5 are also same marks. Age is same. Maybe. Now if the age is same, such a rare coincidence, then they will look for 10th marks. 10th मार्क्स, एग्रीगेट मार्क्स इन क्लास 10 विल बी गिवन प्रेफरेंस। अब इतना रेयर कॉन्सिडेंस के वो भी मार्क्स सेम है, बट उन्होंने 5th पॉइंट, मे बी ऐसा हुआ है, मे बी नहीं भी हुआ हो, जस्ट टू एलिमिनेट एनी probability of getting all at the tie level, even at the 4th point। तो हो सकता है ये रीजन रहा हो। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। So 10th एग्जामिनेशन डे 10th इक्विवेलेंट परसेंटेज 2 प्लेसेस ऑफ डेसिमल तक आपको फिल करना है, 2 प्लेसेस ऑफ डेसिमल तक, ठीक है। 12th एग्जामिनेशन, तो 10th के मार्क्स एग्रीगेट, राइट। देन 12th एग्जामिनेशन, बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन, रिजल्ट स्टेटस, रोल नंबर, ईयर ऑफ पासिंग, नेम ऑफ स्कूल, टाइप ऑफ स्कूल, स्कूल लोकेशन, मीडियम ऑफ स्टडी, हिंदी लैंग्वेज स्टडीड अप टू, सबमिट। You come to this 10th equivalent, then 12th CBSE, let's say if you're passed in CBSE, roll number, year of passing, English, maximum theory marks of board, theory marks obtained, practical marks, सब fill करो, self explanatory, सब subjects fill करो, ठीक है, ये fill कर दिया। academic, then sports category, applied under sports category, yes या no? If yes, click करोगे। Candidates desirous of seeking admission on the basis of sports supernumerary quota can apply for a maximum of 3 games sports, 3 game sports. See, whatever extracurricular sports you have certificates, you should definitely apply. You never know if you get a particular seat in a particular college. Candidates must upload self-attested copies of a maximum of 3 merit participation sports certificates of the preceding 3 years issued between 1st May 2022 to 30th April 2025 only, ठीक है। डेट देख लीजिए, 1st May to 30th April 2025 only। तो ये आएगा, you have to select the, and you can visit each college sports or ECA seat matrix also, and you can see which seat is which quota, which sports category is available in a particular college, ठीक है। मैं एग्जांपल भी आपको दिखाऊंगा ECA का। So archery, athletics, badminton, baseball, just read this. You should definitely fill if you have certificates, उसको definitely आपको use करना चाहिए। Then ECA, click to apply under ECA supernumerary quota. So admission through the ECA supernumerary quota for the academic year will be done in 14 ECA categories, extracurricular activities. Candidates desirous of seeking admission on the basis of ECA supernumerary quota can apply for a maximum of 3 ECA categories. For each ECA category in which the candidate is applying, must upload a maximum of best 5 self-attested certificates. So अगर इंटर स्कूल है, इंट्रा स्कूल है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, नेशनल है, तो बेस्ट आपके जो 5 है ना, वो आप अपलोड कर सकते हो। प्रीसीडिंग 3 years, ये देख लीजिए, डेट भी देख लीजिए, फ्रॉम 1st May 2022 to 30th April 2025 ओनली। इस तरीके से फिल करोगे। सो क्रिएटिव राइटिंग, डांस, डिबेट, डिजिटल, म्यूजिक वोकल, म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल, इंडियन, वेस्टर्न, थिएटर, क्विज, डिविनिटी, एनसीसी, एनएसएस, योगा, ऑल द कैटेगरीज आर देयर। ये आप फिल करोगे, अगर है तो जरूर फिल करो, ठीक है। डू नॉट थिंक मच, फिल करो। पहले आपका अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी में आपका देखा जाएगा, फिर उसके बाद रिजर्व कैटेगरी में देखा जाता है, तो उसमें टेंशन नहीं है, ये मत सोचोगे आपको कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे। पहले वो देखेंगे इफ द सीट कैन बी एलोकेटेड इन द अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी, एंड देन अगर आपके मार्क्स कम हैं तो इन कैटेगरीज में भी आपको अलॉटमेंट हो सकता है। एग्जाम्पल देता हूं ईसीए का। शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज ऑफ बिजनेस स्टडीज, BBA FIA, 2024 कट ऑफ फॉर अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी वाज 518 out of 650, second round cut off. Seat allotted at 399 out of 650. yes, कौन सी कैटेगरी? ECA, म्यूजिक, इंस्ट्रूमेंटल, इंडियन, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज, ECA कोटा में सीट अलॉटमेंट। यस, वी हैव एन एग्जाम्पल, एंड दिस वाज द कैटेगरी तबला। यस, नाउ यू माइट थिंक अरे I have learned some instrument, इसका क्या फायदा होगा? You never know. You see, and we have a live example. We have an example. So unreserved category, BBA FIA, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, 518 second round cutoff was there out of 650. but seat allotted at 399 out of 650. ठीक है. So I should also tell you one more thing. You should definitely visit seat metrics for respective colleges and you can find what are the seats in various sports quota, ECA quota. तो ये देखिए शहीद सुखदेव कॉलेज ऑफ बिजनेस स्टडीज सीट मैट्रिक्स, सुपरन्यूमेरी. ECA में स्पोर्ट्स कैटेगरी में बैडमिंटन फीमेल की 2 सीट्स हैं. ऐसे यू कैन गो फॉर LSR, SRCC आप देख सकते हो. हंसराज क्रिकेट की मेल की 1 सीट है. ECA कैटेगरी म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल तबला, ये देखिए म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल तबला की 1 सीट है और वो तबला की 1 सीट मिली. राइट, म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल तबला की 1 सीट है ECA कैटेगरी में. ठीक है जी, क्लियर. Coming back to what I was discussing, so very important to fill the form very carefully. Okay, perfectly fine. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Then uploads. So photo and signature will be fetched from the CUT application form. Then upload scanned copy of class 10th board certificate for the date of birth. Select file. फाइल साइज देख लीजिए, एक्सेप्टेड फॉर्मेट्स देख लीजिए. अपलोड स्कैन कॉपी ऑफ क्लास 10th बोर्ड मार्कशीट. ठीक है. सर्टिफिकेट ऑल्सो फॉर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, 10th सर्टिफिकेट एंड मार्कशीट. एंड 12th एंड कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट, ECA स्पोर्ट्स जो भी है आपको ऑब्वियसली अपलोड करना है. अपलोड करने के बाद द 6th टैब इज द प्रीव्यू टैब. प्रीव्यू मीन्स यू कैन सी योर entire form which is filled. You can preview it. And the final submission is when you pay the fees. The final submission is you pay the fees. तो पहले my advice is fill the form और उसको यहीं पर छोड़ दो कुछ दिन के लिए for few days. Do not rush to pay the fee immediately. Keep on visiting it. सही है फॉर्म, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. 2-3 दिन let's say next week तक आप इसको, अभी लास्ट डेट काफी टाइम है. DU have not notified any last date for CSS phase 1. So अपलोड करने के बाद प्रीव्यू देखो, फी पे कर दिया तो then you cannot edit what you have done. No change, edit, modification will be allowed once the application has been successfully submitted. And when will the application be successfully submitted? Once you pay the fees. उसके बाद आप एडिट नहीं कर पाओगे. तो यहां प्रीव्यू तक रहने दीजिए अपलोड करने के बाद. और फाइनल सबमिशन आफ्टर सम डेज देख लो एक बार, आपके पेरेंट्स भी देख लें. इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस विद IMS मेंटर्स यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू विजिट अवर नियरेस्ट सेंटर. आइए वहां पर दिखा दीजिए. ठीक है. बार बार कह रहा हूं, नो चेंज, एडिट, मॉडिफिकेशन विल बी अलाउड वंस द एप्लीकेशन हैज बीन सक्सेसफुली सबमिटेड. ठीक है. फेज 2. सो वंस द फेज 1 विल बी ओवर, फेज 2, preference filling. After the declaration of CUT 2025 results by NTA, the University of Delhi will open the phase 2 of CSS preference filling phase. Then also we will guide you how to fill the preference, what will the preference, usko bhi time milta hai. I'll come up again with a video. Don't worry, we'll guide you that also. Candidate must log in his or CSS dashboard to choose the program he or she is willing to take admission if allocated. This is phase 2 preference filling. We'll guide you for that also. Phase 3 seat allocation and admission, we will guide you for that also. Once it, guide क्या, वो तो फिर आपका result है, but yes, once a phase 3 will be out, we will again notify you, tell you. तो ये phase 2 भी important, obviously very important preference filling, but phase 1 ध्यान से, and then phase 3. चलिए, all the best, आराम से फॉर्म भरो, और if you have any doubt, comment and do visit IMS center, nearest IMS center. We'll be more than happy to help you. God bless you and thank you.